Did a little rolling start there for the neighbors since it's Saturday morning at 8 o'clock. But I'm headed to run a funeral. Not just the technology part. Not the preaching. I don't do that. It's a little chilly. Don't worry, it's gonna get to 83 today. I'm just glad I get to ride my bike on the weekend. Usually I don't do that because I'm with my family and they don't all fit, of course. Oh, we're gonna go this way because you gotta see what they did. You gotta see. Did I already show you this? I don't think I did. If I did, you get to see it twice. Maybe I did. No, I don't think I did. Did I? Well, we're just gonna pretend that I haven't, and then I'll show it to you, and then if I did show it to you, then I'll just delete this part. Okay? So I think I took you through here the other day to show you what was going to happen, but here it is. The new pedestrian bridge for the trail is up. Wow. The cranes are gone. Oh, no, they're not. They're over there. Wow. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, I can't remember if we did that yet or not. Sorry to my editor. Whoa, when did they put in solar panels? I have never seen those solar panels before. Do they turn with the sun? They do. Okay, that's cool. Man, I can't believe I've never seen those solar panels. That's pretty brilliant to have them turn. I mean, I'm sure that's not new technology, but most solar panels around here just set on roofs. Oh, I'm kind of glad that this light is not green because I need to warm up. And all these signs are always on the ground. That's a Tesla. This is the worst corner ever. It's all ripped up. Usually there's gravel. Sometimes I just don't want to even take it. But this part's fun. Ah, look at that. It's beautiful. That's what I would make this area look like if I owned it. Only $500,000. And then of course I'd need to buy this part over here, which is another $500,000. I mean, yeah, $500,000 to put a house on. I really appreciate the nice banking they put on that corner. I thought that scarecrow was a real person. You want to know another, this is Iowa? Here's Iowa for you. Right there, I don't know if you can see it in the shadow, is a bench or a picnic table full of honey jars. We stopped there last night and bought some honey. So I think it's 10 bucks for a smaller jar and 20 for a giant jar. This nice little nook right here. I don't really know what the point of this nook is, except to just like notch out so the cars can do the roundabout, but I just don't understand why they just didn't go in a nice streamlined fashion. You know, it's just a little odd, that's all. The weather is absolutely amazing right now, and that's only because of the humidity. I love, love, love low humidity. I think it's 45, 39. Wow. Wow, this is my dream weather. I think it's 82, but I just don't even care. I even have like a long-sleeved rain jacket underneath here that I wore this morning to block the wind. I literally think it could not be any nicer out. I mean, how could it be? It's clear skies, 82, 39% humidity. Where can I live that's like this forever? Besides heaven. Where? This light doesn't want to go nowhere. This is new. I haven't been through this intersection in a really long time. Remember when I used to come to this and it had hanging lights and it would like not detect me and I'd have to skip out? Anyways, it's got like a turning lane and stuff. And this like nice median that I can cut through it. Oh, there's a bunch of bikes up there. Oh, they're coming this way. None of them waved. None of them. There's 4 of them and none of them waved. That's not nice. Okay, solar panels. They have turned and they're pointed directly at the sun. That is so cool. I did not know they had those. Oh, look at all these bikers. I don't mean motorcycle bikers, pedal bikers. How many of them are there? I don't think I can count them all. There's too many trees. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Looks like 13. I just want to go ride around, but I got stuff to do. It's the weekend. And I don't just go ride around on the weekends. Maybe we should title this vlog, Weekend Rider or Daily Driver? Do you ride your motorcycle only on the weekend because, you know, you're not at work, it's your free time, you're going to do stuff, you're going out, or you only drive it back and forth to work? I only drive it as a daily driver. So this is my daily driver. I drive it to work, I drive it to a funeral. That's what I was just doing, but that was work. But I don't drive it on the weekend because I'm with my family. Yeah, I know a lot of guys that have motorcycles, but they only ride them, you know, here and there, which is almost never. They get rid of them because they never ride them. Because really the only time they can ride them is on the weekend, which they can't do because they have families. So that's why, to me, it only makes sense to have one as a daily driver. When you have 5 kids and they're young, I mean, they're not like driving themselves around and stuff and gone all weekend. And so this is my daily driver, which is great because look, I just went to work, which was not really that hard. My job is hard in a mental way, difficulty, but it's challenge, and I like that. It's not physically draining usually, and it can be stressful at times, but it's not that bad. So then you get to hop on the motorcycle, and this is like